Popping on the block, I never serve a cop. I always kept a Glock, I ain't about to see the grave. Pull up, I make a quick stop. I shot one stop, I'm hop 7 days. Who that little nigga I see hopping out of raid?
Alright, this is Certified Games, your boy Certified King Town, back in another video. Today I got my boy Certified Monkey in the building. Show you. Alright, bro, we about to be coughing people in public, right? We in Harvey's right now. You guys can see right now. So we in Harvey's right now, so about to get into this jump. Let's get it.
The man was walking by.
That video done. You gonna do this? You gonna do this right here? Do that. Got you. Do you like to do? Do you like to do?
I'm just like this shit.
I'm folding. They were folding.
I got that shit. But they was looking at us stupid. You should have recorded their face. You gotta record the face.
That boy didn't even move. That boy didn't even care. That boy ain't care. That boy didn't even care. That boy didn't even care. That boy just walked off.
Oh, no, yeah. He got the corona. He won.
Oh boy, no, he won.
He won. He won.
Alright, bro, we're gonna do one more first, 2 more people. About to do like one more, 2 more people. I do this one time. Yeah, sure. Got it. You wanna do one more person?
But I think she looked at you and stupid.
I didn't even see it though. I didn't even see it.
I can't, I done been all over with you.
This is smart.
Hey, Jay, what you doing?
Doing that. We was just doing that. Making a video.
Like a video of Harvey?
No, it was like a prank.
Oh boy.
Like, you know how people like cough, like that kind of thing. I don't know what I think about. But I ain't even know this shit right. But Miss Smart, I ain't even know Miss Smart up there. Wait, is that Miss Smart? That is Miss Smart. Yeah. From 7th grade. No, she was in 6th. I think she went to 7th grade though.
You wanna get this lady? Yeah, you up next, boy.
I
You
don't know
next.
about that. I don't know about
You
that.
next, boy.
But I ain't got the corona, son. You feel me? I ain't trying to actually cough and then get it for real. But I really gotta stop it though.
Nah, bro.
Maybe we gotta take a little break right quick.
Boy, folding like some clothes, bro.
Bro, we gotta
He
take a little break.
folding, bro.
Pause it right there.
That boy folding.
Pause it. They gonna do that.